Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2010 Elantra Touring. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist. Inside you'll find child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, cargo area light, trip odometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.